Do you also want to dub your video like this? Then watch the result first, I'll explain it later. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So this is my voice in English right now. So I'm going to change my voice into different languages. So here it is. नमस्कार सभी, मेरे YouTube चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। तो ये मेरी आवाज़ है अंग्रेज़ी में अभी। तो मैं अपनी आवाज़ को विभिन्न भाषाओं में बदलने जा रहा हूँ। तो यहाँ ये है। So to dub any video like that, you need to go to this website called elevensLab.io. So you need to log in with your Gmail account or any email account that you have. Login is easy, just simple, go to this website. Just simply go to this website and log in with your account. Then what you need to do is just go to this dubbing option here, click on dubbing and then click on create new dub. And here you can find that you need to title your project name. So I'm just gonna press test here. Then you have to select the source language here. So I'm using right now English here because my video was also in the English language. And you have to choose the target language here. I'm going to choose the Hindi here. And you can choose also YouTube, TikTok, Twitter and other URL you have to use. You can also paste the YouTube video and it will dub it. But right now I'm going to upload my video here. And this is the same clip that I've showed you in the first clip here. So after uploading your video, choosing the language is English, then I'm going to convert to Hindi. And as you can see, this my video is only 2.6 MB. And you can choose the advanced settings here. Number of speakers, it will also detect how many people are talking in your video, and video resolution, and how many character it will use in your dub. Because in the free version, you will get 25,000 characters every month in this 11 Labs. So just click on create here, and this will dub the video to English in Hindi, which I already showed you in my first clip here. As you can see, the video is dubbing here. It will only take 1 minute or 50 seconds here. As you can see, my dubbing video is already completed. And the first clip that I've showed you, this is the same original video that I have dubbed here. So let's say it again. नमस्कार सभी, मेरे YouTube चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। तो ये मेरी आवाज़ है अंग्रेज़ी में अभी। So as you can see, this is the Hindi dub video that I have created in English here. So that's it guys, this is a very useful tool you can use for your YouTube channel. And in the free version here, you will get every month 10,000 characters, sorry, 25,000 not 10,000 character. And for $1, you will get 30,000 character per month. So you can use it. The 11 Labs is free right now for 10,000 character. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, and also if you want to watch this type of AI tutorials, please leave a comment in the comment box and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching.